Welcome back to the Let's Chinese channel. Today we're going to talk about how to use ChatGPT in China. I'm sure you're already heard about ChatGPT. It is one of the biggest things in the world right now. ChatGPT is a language model for optimizing conversation. It is a type of language model developed by OpenAI. It is a neural network-based machine learning model that is trained on a large dataset of text and is able to generate human-like text by predicting the next word in a sequence based on the context of the words that come before it. I've been using it for a while. I am absolutely amazed by its powerful capability. However, if you're in the areas like China or Hong Kong, you're probably so frustrated to see this page. Don't worry, here are steps for you to access the ChatGPT. Step 1. Use a VPN to change your IP address from China to other countries where OpenAI's services are available, such as the United States, United Kingdom, etc. For myself, I'm using ExpressVPN. I think it's easy to use, super stable, and the internet speed is solid. I'm pretty happy with it. If you're interested, you can find the download link in the description below. Step 2. Change your time zone to Pacific Time, US and Canada. Actually, I think any country's time zone where OpenAI's services are available should be fine. I'm using Pacific Time. Step 3. Use the incognito mode browser to open the OpenAI website and start the registration process. Click the Try. Sign up. Enter your email address. Click Continue. Set up your passwords. Click Continue. Now go check your inbox to verify your email. Enter your first name and last name. Now you should be able to see the Verify Your Phone Number step. Step 4. Now, if you have a phone number from any of these countries, you can simply enter your phone number and then verify it. Otherwise, you'll need an SMS Activate tool to get a virtual phone number for receiving the security code. Personally, I'm using the smsactivate.org, which I think it's working fine for me. Here you need to register an account on the SMS Activate platform. Just register with your email. Since I already have an account, I'll just directly log in my account here. After you log in, the first thing you need to do is to top up your balance. As you can see, there is a variety of payment methods for you, even Alipay. Just top up $1 should be enough. After that, you can go search for the keyword open to find the temporary number purchase link of the OpenAI verification code. Then, you can see the temporary number to be used in the activation area. I used the India number because it's cheap. Copy the number into the verification code receiving area of OpenAI. Click Send Verification Code, so that you can receive the verification code on the platform. Sometimes it is a little slow, and you need to wait patiently. Fill in the verification code, and congratulations! The registration is completed. Anyway, that pretty much sums up the process of ChatGPT registration in China. Let me know your thought about this topic. Have you already been using it, and do you think ChatGPT is answering your questions accurately? Thank you all so much for watching and listening. Hope you enjoyed the video.